Hello everyone, welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney and today we are doing our Freebie Friday. This is our festive Freebie Friday. All of these are going towards holidays, birthdays, stuff like that. And so I have $20 here today. I'm gonna roll and whatever the dice says, that challenge is getting $1. And then at the end of the video, when I've done this, I'm gonna show you guys a ton of freebies from the budgeting community, so stick around for that. You're gonna wanna see them, and I'll list all the channels below where you can get them. I have a different little helper today. I guess Buddy's gonna help me roll the dice. Good job. That's a 1. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. All right, so let's get right into it. Number 5. I hope y'all are having a great Friday so far. I hope you guys have had a good week and that you have a good weekend coming up. I hope you're doing well. Oops. I am coming off of, this week has been my midwinter break, so I've been off teaching all week. I'm gonna be honest, it has not been as productive as I wanted it to be, but that's always how it goes. So I have a lot of things that I have on my to-do list, and I just haven't had, honestly, the motivation to do many of them. So I'm trying to be motivated, guys, but you know how it is. So, okay, so that's it for that. So we have 6. All right, so with challenge number 1 is this Easter one. This one is one that I made in my Ko-fi, or I made it and it's in my Ko-fi now. This got $2. 1, 2. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so this will go towards a little Easter basket for Aria or whatever else we end up doing. All right, challenge number 5 is for Aria's birthday. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is by Vicky Thinks. And guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm adding more birthday challenges because I thought I was going to be doing Aria's birthday with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 8 in this now. I thought I was going to be doing Aria's birthday with her dad, and he does not want to do that this year. So that's been a little bit of an adjustment emotionally, and but a part of it is, you know, I was not planning on having all the expenses myself. So trying to beef up her birthday savings as much as I can before her birthday actually hits, which is next month. So we'll see what I can do. I shouldn't have colored that in black. I don't like I don't like how that looked. Maybe I'll just outline them next time. All right, but this one got $2. So I was really struggling with that the other day, guys. I've always found it hard to accept change, and also it just makes me sad for her. You know, it's not what I set out. Anyways. All right, 1, 2, 3. So we can do, okay, so each one of these little clouds basically. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, there we go. So we should have 5 in here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we do. So this one is for St. Patrick's Day. We probably won't do much. I need to look. A lot of you mentioned parades in town, so I need to look and see if our town has like any parades that they do. All right. Oh, this one is by me, by the way, and this one I forgot to tell you is by Saving with Tiffany. And this has like 6 little birthday challenges on it with little monsters, so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make each of these $2. So we have 2, 4, and then we have $1 that hopefully next time we'll be able to add in. All right. And challenge number 1 was this Christmas Cowboy by Overthinking and Budgeting. So we got 1, 2, 3. I think this is already open. Come on. Oh, okay, I guess it wasn't. So we have 1, 2, 3 that we're adding and 2 already, so 5. So we're gonna add another 2 here, and then we'll save one of these dollars for next time. Okay, so that's it for our challenges. No challenges finished today, but we started a lot of them today, honestly. We started, or last week, so that's totally fine. Okay, let me get into our freebies for today. So lots of freebies to go through, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on any one of them, but do you see this whole stack? Oh my goodness. And this is not necessarily festive freebies. This is freebies for everything, because I just didn't have time on Monday or Tuesday to get freebies together. So, but the first few are from me. So this is a Easter one. I think this one was for 600 subscribers. So Groovy Easter, and then 700 subscribers. This is my cactus themed challenges. This one was for 800. Ballerina animals, so it has a few little tinies, a mini, and an A5. And then this is one that I just created yesterday. It is for 900 subscribers, and it's ramen themed. And I actually have a tutorial video that I posted on this. The way this printed though, like it's kind of dark. So I hope it doesn't print that dark for y'all, but sometimes my printer, like the colors are not the same as what you see on the computer screen, and that's just in general for everybody. So anyways, but 900 subscribers with ramen, those are all in my Ko-fi shop. Okay, next we have this one by Anna Banana Budgets. I think this is her 100 subscribers freebie. So it's frog themed. We have a shut the box, a little scratch off or like check off, and then this one is so cute with like the lily pads. Love that one. So Anna Banana Budgets is a relatively new channel. Go check her out. And then we have this one by Neurospicy Budgeting. And this is Becca at Neurospicy Budgeting. These are all like little puns. So I love that. I love a good pun. And all of these channels will be linked below, so you can go click on their channel and find their Ko-fi shop and get these challenges from there. This is also by Becca at Neurospicy Budgeting. Cute little tinies for March, St. Patrick's themed. Okay, then we have another Savings with Tracy, another March freebie here. So this would be good if you're doing March Madness, which I am planning to do. I'm not gonna do it like bracket style. I think my goal is to just do minis or tinies every day and save $10 a day with minis or tinies. So that's what I'm planning. All right, this one is also by Savings with Tracy. I love this one. A penny for your thoughts seems a bit pricey. It depends on the person. But that's funny. Okay, then we have Prop Budgets, and we have these cute little like Boba cats. I thought this one was adorable. She has more freebies. I think this one was a little further down, but I liked it. Okay, next we have Barbie at Blessed Budgets by Abigail, or Abigail, she goes by Barbie. So we have 6 challenges here, guys, from her. We have a little Shut the Box mini. Very cute. I love this. The yellow makes me happy, this color. So go grab that from her. Then we have Budgeting Beezy. This is a Peace of Mind Savings, and I just love these little brain guys. Okay, then we have, let's see, Pilar Savings. This cute little underwater themed. I thought this was so cute for my Tiny Tuesdays, which I'm going to be changing to Tiny Tot Tuesdays because I think I want to do my Mondays as funds for like my sinking funds or like general sinking funds, and Tiny Tuesdays for Aria, and call it Tiny Tot Tuesdays, which is an idea that I think it was, oh, I can't remember who said that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, but I thought it was great. It wasn't my original idea, okay? So this one is by Odette's Budgeting Life for 600 subscribers. Slow but consistent growth with this little sloth here. Very cute. Okay, next we have Budget with Carly. We have these little food tinies, Kawai food tinies. Adorable. This one is also by Budget with Carly, and I just thought this was cute for like the springtime as we are headed into spring. Yay, so exciting. Oh, here we have another one by Anna Banana Budgets. This one I think was one of her first ones that she posted. So, but yeah, very cute. Love the monkey one. All right, then we have Zoeberry Budgets. She's also a relatively new channel. So go show her some love, guys. This one is for 50 subscribers. So I know she would appreciate her channel growing more. So if you guys can go over there, watch a few of her videos, like and comment, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I know she would appreciate that. But these are fun. These are cute. I'm excited to color these. I love coloring challenges. Okay, then we have Canadian Finance Journey. And I can't remember, I think these are relatively new. I don't think I scrolled too far for these. So some self-love, some mental health, motivational quotes here. Very nice. More of that style from Canadian Finance Journey. Be the reason someone smiles today. Look at these guys. So cute. I love that one. Okay, then we have, oh, this one. Oh my gosh. I have so many from Canadian Finance Journey, guys. Hold on. I guess I didn't realize, like, okay, so another one by Bobby at Canadian Finance Journey. This one as well. Stop being afraid to be confident. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. One mental breakdown later. Oh my goodness. I love it. Having a mentee bee over here. Okay, then this is Life with Me. This is also a new channel. So go show her some love as well. But look how cute. Love these. Okay, this one is by Ladybug Budgets, and this is her March group play. So actually, I should add this to my group play binder. But you can use them as minis as well. Okay, next we have Michelle's Organized Budget. And so Michelle, I think, has just really started creating challenges, if I'm not mistaken. And so she has a few in her Ko-fi now. And I love this one because it's like spring vibes. I'm so excited for spring, so ready for it. So you can go grab this from Michelle. All right, then we have Budget by Camilla. And her channel is, so she's from Sweden, which I think is so fun to watch, like people from other countries and their budgeting, because like you get to see different money and I don't know, it's just like a different vibe. So I loved these little like doggies though. Those are so cute. All right, then we have Thank You for 500 Friends by Melissa Manages. Now Melissa has a Google folder, if I'm not mistaken. So some of these might have Google folders, and most of them are on Ko-fi, but some are on a Google Drive. So I should have mentioned that. But you can just go click on the channel, and usually it'll be in the description, or you can go to the posts, like the community tab, and find it there. But yeah, thank you for 500 subscribers, Melissa. Yay, congratulations. I think this was a while ago that she posted that maybe. All right, and then Ange from Ange Budget and Debt, she also is getting into creating challenges. So I'm so excited because I love to see the creativity come out from different people. It's just fun. I don't know, like everyone has their own unique style, and I just get so excited because like I love creating challenges and I think it's really fun. It's a good creative outlet for me. So I love that other people are getting into it. So I was so excited when she posted this, and immediately downloaded it. So we have bunny bucks and these little peeps. Love those, and this cloud. So way to go, Ange. I'm so happy that you did this. Thank you so much. Okay, and then we have Blue Kiwi Budgets. This was her first set of challenges that she created too. So again, I love that people are creating challenges for us. Thank you so much. And I love that you get a chance to like express yourself through this way, because I just think it's so fun. So Blue Kiwi Budgets, also a relatively new channel, so go show her some love as well. And self-love mode, love that. Okay, then we have Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, and this is some March freebies. So springtime, Easter, we have like this March bows, and very cute for spring, some tinies here. Okay, then we have Restoration by Autumn. We have some cute little bunny themed, like Easter themed ones, with this little bunny and this chick, which I think is so cute. Love this. And then this one is by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. She has been on a roll, y'all. She has so many freebies up on her Ko-fi. I cannot even keep up. So I just downloaded this one, but she has so many and they're all so cute. So go check out her Ko-fi, guys. I just grabbed this one, but I make a mental note to tell y'all that there are so many on her Ko-fi right now. I don't know how she is doing. She's just cranking them out, y'all. So go check her out. And I just thought these were very cute, so I grabbed this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. We are so close to hitting 1,000 subscribers, guys. I cannot believe it. So if you have been watching and you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, I would so appreciate it. If you do, that would be awesome to get to that 1,000 mark. But thank you all so much for your support. Those of you who have subscribed, I appreciate it so, so much. And if you haven't said hi yet, please say hi in the comments so that I can get to know you and know who's watching and who's here, and just have a little chat with you. So thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.